By the way, I didn't tell you, right? I'm joining as an assistant professor in NIET Noida. So from today till the day I just continue this as my profession, it is Arvind Maps as assistant professor. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Cheers. The coffee is done, but just for style. Cheers. Hey, I have been allotted the hostel, but the faculty or the sir with whom I have been allotted the room is like outside for some tasks. So by the time he'll be reaching, it'll be evening. So I was just given this temporary room as of now. So later I'll be shifted to that room, to my actual room, hostel room. And also the time is 4:15 now, and like at 4:30, I am asked to meet this HOD for the formalities and allotment of mentor to me for 15 days. So I just have to get known with what is a work culture and how I have to teach. Like, is there any schedule that I have to follow, and like any like dressing or any particular guidelines that are to be followed. Like I'll be known, I'll be enlightened by the mentor. So, and by the way, I was asked to change the look if possible, because I have to teach and like go to the students and teach, right? So we'll have to see, and I have to do that, I guess. So that's it for now, and I'll meet you back once after I meet the CSC HOD. And yeah. So all my formalities of joining me here in the institute are done. I had met everyone of whom I had to, and I met with my CSHOD also. Like I'll have to meet her tomorrow again for some formal talk and assigning me of the subjects, and yeah, that's it. Tomorrow I have to meet her again. And so yeah, I've been allotted with the hostel and everything is done. I played a bit of basketball here after so many days with the students, and right now my faculty. Yo, what's up? So that's it for today. So this is a outer region of the college. Yeah. So it's in highway somewhere. So you just have to come into one of the roads. You'll be heading towards this NIT Noida. Right from the metro station of this knowledge park, you can directly come here through auto. So that's it for today. So beginning of the new phase of my life. So we'll have to see how it goes here now. Today morning I was excited and anxious, and like what's going to happen. Do I have to take class today only? Will go to the students, how they react, seeing all my color and everything. So all these multiple thoughts and mixed feelings in me. So that's it. I ended up the day with calling to my parents, and they felt happy, and I'm satisfied with that. So that's it for the day, guys. That's it. Thoda mixed and thoda nervous for this phase of life. We'll see how it goes, and we'll sort out the next step, like what I have to do and how it has to be. So that's it for the day. I'll take a leave for today. So we'll update whenever it's possible for me. So that's it. Wishing you all my positive vibes to you as always. So you also wish me good luck and positive vibes from your side, so that I will be cool and clear in this path. So
the next day,
I'm going to my first class. This is the first class I'm gonna take up with a lot of students. So a little anxious. Just want to interact with them and get acclimatized and adapted with the environment. Let's see how it goes. I have to go to Apple Labs, where I'll be having students. I'm searching for it. Let's see where it is. Excuse me, where can I get Apple Lab? I don't have any idea. You're a student, right?
Yeah.
No idea?
No, from second day, my block is different. I have come here for some work.
Okay, it's okay. This is the second floor.
Look. Apple Lab.
Excuse me, where is the Apple Lab? Apple Lab? New, okay. Let's ask some faculty here. Excuse me, sir. Sir, where can I get Apple Lab?
Yeah?
Apple Lab, Apple Lab. This is the one or shall I have to ask here? Yeah, I also know some Rasta that it's in second floor. Let's go, let's go. I think I'm already 3 minutes late for the first class. A bit anxious, but let's go and interact. Let's come into the class. So this is the class we're looking for. 088. So let's go.
1 hour later.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah! What's up?